Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one easy recipe which you guys can make it at your home in just 3 minutes. So today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a orange cupcake at your home. So for this recipe what you need, here I took 1 cup of maida, that is plain flour, and in this I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla essence. It gives a nice flavor in the cupcakes. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and into this I'm going to add some icing sugar. That is, I'm going to add 1 cup of icing sugar, so everything is equal. 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of icing sugar. So I'm going to add 1 cup of icing sugar into this. So this recipe I'm not going to bake, guys. I'm going to keep it in the microwave for 3 minutes. So let's try this recipe. And here I have one big orange. What I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the skin of the orange and I'm going to add this one little bit of orange skin. So I'm going to use this grater. So here I added 1 to 2 tablespoon of grated orange skin, and into this I'm going to add little bit of orange juice. It gives a nice taste because we are making the orange cupcakes. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda into this. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, that is the soda powder. And I'm going to add little bit of oil into this. If you want to add butter, you can add butter also. Here I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to mix all these things together. So this is the microwave container for the cupcakes. So what I put that cupcake cover into this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add this each spoon of this. If you have, I'm going to add each spoon of this. You can use the ice cream scoop also. So I put it in the cupcake mold. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to keep it in the microwave and I'm going to cook this one for 2 minutes. So the total preparation, everything is 2 minutes, and the cooking time in the microwave is 2 to 3 minutes. So you can make this dish under 5 minutes, guys. This is very easy recipe. So I kept it in the microwave, and I'm going to close this one and I'm going to cook this one for 2 minutes. Hey guys, my cupcake is nicely cooked and I decorated with some icing cream. So this is the quick video of how to make cupcake at your home. See you soon.